Hi everyone, this is Christina, dietetic intern here at CSS. Today we are going to be making a white bean tomato soup with orzo that's going to be prepared using your new slow cooker. For this recipe, you are going to need chopped onions, minced garlic, baby carrots, canned diced tomatoes, chicken broth, white canned beans, Italian seasoning, orzo pasta, spinach, shredded cheese, and baguette. The first step of this recipe is going to be to put the liner into your crock pot, which will make the cleaning process much easier. Once the liner is in, we're going to add our chopped onions, garlic, and baby carrots to the crock pot. Next, we will add our diced tomatoes, white beans, chicken broth, and Italian seasoning, and give the mixture a stir in the crock pot. After securing the lid, we will cook on low for 6 hours. At the 6-hour mark, we will add the orzo pasta and spinach and re-secure the lid, and then set your timer for another 15 minutes. Once the 15 minutes has passed, we will uncover and stir the soup, and you are now ready to eat. Let's see Janice and Conrad in action as they prepare the soup together. As you can see here, they got all of their ingredients set out and ready to be put into the slow cooker. So again, our first step is going to be to add the liner to your slow cooker. Next, we're going to add our onions, garlic, and carrots. Once the onions, garlic, and carrots are in the crock pot, we will then add our diced tomato, white beans, chicken broth, and Italian seasoning, and we'll give the mixture a stir in the crock pot. Now that all our ingredients are in, we are going to secure the lid and we are going to cook on low for 6 hours. Once the 6 hours is up, we will add the spinach and orzo to the crock pot. Be sure to stir it around to incorporate all of the ingredients. Now that the orzo and spinach has been added, re-secure your lid and add another 15 minutes to the timer. After 15 minutes, the soup will be ready to eat. Serve the soup in a bowl with a sprinkling of cheese on top and a piece of baguette on the side. We hope that you enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.